Hello dear viewers, greetings. Today's session, now we are going to see the topic about fungi nutrition. The subtopics I have included in this session, what is fungi and types of fungi nutrition, and how do fungi get their nutrition, and what type of nutrition absent in fungi. And we discuss about generally what is fungi. Fungi is a member of eukaryotic family, and also fungi are absent of chlorophyll. So they are chlorophylls known as achlorophyllous species. Further, fungi cannot synthesize their own food, and also it starts observing the dissolved molecules from other species. It known as heterotrophs. Heterotrophs meaning it cannot synthesize their own food. It depends to others. Fungi will use digestive enzyme to extract necessary carbohydrates, water from the organic substances. And we discuss about nutrition of fungi. Like plants, fungi do not require carbon dioxide and light as a source of carbon for their food. The fungi get attached to the organic matter and absorb carbohydrates. Fructose, xylose and sucrose. Also fungi have the ability to absorb and process insoluble carbohydrates like cellulose, hemicellulose and starches along with complex hydrocarbons such as lignin. Many fungi even absorb protein as a source of carbon and nitrogen. And also fungi will produce digestive enzyme to polymerase extracellular. This helps to utilize insoluble carbohydrates and also proteins. Using the biological catalytes and enzymes secreted on the surface of the fungi starts to secure its food. The digestive enzymes helps to break down the food and root-like substances present of the fungi called hyphal walls and absorb the food. And then food in the form of liquid can only enter into the hyphae. The entire mycelial surface of fungus has the capability to absorb water and minerals entered through hyphae. This is how fungi obtain the food. For example, the surface of the rotten fruits becomes soft. This is because of fungal enzymes. Many parasitic fungi have some specialized feature like absorptive organs. This is also known as a haustoria. Fungi are broadly classified into three types based on the obtain their food. The fungi will classified as three types based on the nutrition. One is saprophytic, and parasitic and symbiotic. Saprophytic fungi obtain food from dead and decaying materials, and parasitic fungi get feed from living organisms and also destroy them. And another one, symbiotic fungi grow in living organisms and get mutually benefited. And we discuss about saprophytic fungi. Like bacteria, saprophytic fungi have a huge responsibility to decompose the organic matter in the earth. The saprophytic fungi takes responsible for decaying and decomposing the foodstuffs. Many saprotrophs have the ability to destructure and destroy gain structure like timber using the digestive enzyme mycelia. And the tropical region humidity and temperature supports the growth of fungi. The nutritional availability takes responsibility to determine the growth of saprotrophs. Proteins produce proteases, amino acids and peptones. Some fungi absorb ammonium components and convert nitrates as a nutrient. Also, fungi have the ability to combine the fixed atmospheric nitrogen using suitable compounds. To vigorous the growth of fungi, some chemical compounds like help to phosphorus and also sulfur, magnesium, potassium, manganese, iron, zinc, etc. are required for species growth. And then fungi require oxygen and nitrogen which will absorb in the form of water. Also fungi require vitamins and minerals for their growth like thiamine and biotin to boost the growth of fungi and also boost the reproduction functions. As fungi as aerobic organism, they require free oxygen for their survival during its absence of oxygen condition. It undergoes a fermentation process. Many industrials are using saprophytic fungi for their fermentation process. For example, the most known saprophytic fungi which undergoes to the absence of oxygen process as nucleomycetics. This can upturn the plant cell wall components such as xylem and cellulose, but it cannot act as an animal cell wall. It only acts in plant cell wall. And we discuss about the parasitic fungi. Parasitic fungi used to live on living organisms by inventing them. This type of fungi start extracting nutrients from the living cytoplasm. This causes diseases to death for the host. Most pathogenic fungi and parasitics of plants which enter into the body through the natural opening present in the plants like stomal, lenticle in a stem and broken plants. This causes great damage to the crops and plants. And we discuss about parasitic fungi in humans. Many pathogenic fungi cause disease in human beings and also animals. These parasitic fungi generally enter to the body through a wound in the epidermis. This may enter through insects. For example, parasitic fungi Calveps purpurea causes ergotism in human beings. This disease is widely spread among middle-aged people in the northern Europe. People infected by HIV are mainly due to agent-acquired immunodeficiency syndrome and also the weakened immune system. This is mainly due to the parasitic fungi. It is called Aspergillus fumigate. And the last type of fungi nutrition, that is symbiotic fungi. The fungi grows in the other organism and it does not cause any harmful effects for the living organism. Here, host and living organism get mutually benefited. The symbiotic fungi are two types. They are mycorrhizae and lichen. Lichen is one of the most known air pollution indicator. Mycorrhiza show the mutual relationship between the fungus and plants. The fungus grown on root of plants. The fungus available its food from the soil and takes shelter from the plants. Likewise, plant utilize the mycelia of fungi to absorb nutrients and also water. And we discuss about the predation. Predation is a mode of nutrition for the amoeba. It is a very much similar to the mushroom mode of nutrition. Predation catches the microorganisms from the atmosphere through hyphae present in the fungi and synthesize the enzymes to break down the cell wall of the organism and extract all necessary nutrients from it. This is how fungi obtain their food. And another one is predation. Predation is a mode of nutrition for the amoeba. It is very much similar to the mushroom mode of nutrition. Predation catches the microorganism from the atmosphere through hyphae present in the fungi and synthesizes the enzyme to break down the cell wall of the organism and extracts all necessary nutrients from it. This is how fungi obtain their food. Fungi get their nutrition in three ways. The degrading organic matter that has died, the organism that divides nutrients by absorbing soluble and organic molecules from non-living organic matter. Usually, dead and decaying animal or plant matter is a saprotroph. In ecosystem, energy flow and biogeocycle, saprophytic fungi play a critical role in recyclers. And the saprophytic fungi such as shiitake and oyster mushroom use enzymes released from their hyphal tips to digest dead plant and animal matter. The recycling organic material in this way and return to them environment. Fungi are the principle of decomposers in forest because of their property. And we discuss about what type of nutrition absent in fungi. The Achlorophyllus species will be absent in fungi nutrition. They are otherwise known as Achlorophyllus. Hello dear viewers, thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.